coming into the first round of the SMX playoffs, third in points, or at least qualifying points. Well, did not go very well for Malcolm Stewart. He ended up crashing and tweaking his back in the practice sessions and ended up not racing at all. Not exactly the way you want to start the the playoffs. And we do have a quote from him saying, "Not the way I wanted to kick off the SMX opener. Hit a soft spot, came up short on a table, and tweaked my back and injured my leg. I tried to suit up and give it a go, but just didn't have the strength to hold myself up. Time to rest up and reset for the weekend. Appreciate all the love and support." Now, as I'm looking this on Racer X, they show him as 12th overall right now. I mean, he did. He had 517 points coming in with qualifying points coming in, and somehow he has 20 points now. I don't understand how the XMX playoffs work. Just the point system, at least I don't understand. But I mean, that was a pretty good start for him. And then sadly, something like, it's a little thing, one little landing that doesn't work out, or tweaks your knee, tweaks your back, and then there goes your whole off season or whole playoff season. I'm not a big fan of the playoff system in general. I think you should just race the season. Whoever has the most points at the end wins, but whatever, I guess. Hopefully we'll get a full round next time and get a actual 2-race setup like they have it, instead of the 1 race and then lightning that everyone was complaining about. But sucks to see for him. I mean, obviously, hopefully he can make it for the second round. It's not super bad, but you never know. I mean, at this point, you might as well just kind of sit out, but you're not really going to gain anything here. But it's always nice to see everybody race. I mean, obviously, with all the guys there, you get a better product from the viewership, from a TV point, from a championship point. So hopefully you can make it and race. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to any of the upcoming 2 rounds? Are you excited for this season just to be over and hope for next year to be more competitive? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because they just help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.